पूरा 2021 निकल गया एंड आई डिड नथिंग एक्साइटिंग. मुझे कुछ फन करना है, कुछ मजेदार, यू नो, समथिंग कंप्लीटली आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. क्या है यार, कुछ भी तो नहीं हो रहा. बोर हो गई हूं मैं. मुझे फाइनली एक्साइटमेंट मिल चुका है. यू नो व्हाट, आई थिंक आई एम गोना गो गेट रेडी. टीम तैयार हो जाओ. वी आर ब्रिंगिंग द एक्साइटमेंट.
Hi David, what's happening today?
Listen, I'm really busy because I'm going to be doing something super exciting. मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है. I'll see you later. This is it. This is where the excitement begins. Hello, namaskara मेरे प्यारे viewers and welcome to RRR Night. RRR बस कुछ ही दिनों में रिलीज होने वाला है, but the place is already buzzing with excitement and energy. देश के कोने-कोने से यहाँ पे फैंस इकट्ठा हो गए हैं to celebrate the upcoming grand film by Rajamouli sir. And of course, to also see and meet their idols Alia Bhatt, Ram Charan and NTR Jr.
It was a great experience, yeah. You know, like it's like I've seen the growth in him as a director, as a filmmaker, from the first to helming RRR. Every single day, even if it's about a simple shot of me, a 3-second shot of me just looking at Tarak, he is so precise in what he wants that there's a lot of energy that you need to put in to give him even a 2-second shot.
Are you ready to rise, roar and revolt? इस वक्त मुझे रेड कार्पेट पर ज्वाइन करी है द वेरी ब्यूटीफुल श्रेया. हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
Very good, thanks a lot.
आज यहाँ पे आने के लिए कितने एक्साइटेड थे आप?
Very excited. I worked with Rajamouli sir before. He's a legend. I'm very happy that I'm part of his big dream this time.
मेरी एक्साइटमेंट बहुत है और इतने फैन को देख के तो मैं चौंक गया कि अच्छा हमें एंट्री मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी.
Joining me right here right now is the very talented director Ayan Mukherjee. How are you?
I'm good. I'm excited to be here. I think it's going to be a king of films. So I'm very excited. I don't know if you're aware, there's now a connection between Rajamouli sir and me on my film also. So I'm just very happy to be here tonight.
I am very excited because now it is actually looking like as if we are celebrating Indian cinema, not any regional cinemas.
I'm pumped. I'm excited. What else can I say?
Best night ever.
Yeah, I'm very excited to be here. It's been an absolute honor being a part of this project.
It's quite exciting, and especially our film when it's getting released, all the more exciting.
RRR, like rocking.
I'm very excited to partner with Jayanti bhai and with Rajamouli sir.
If there's one word you could use to describe the magician that he is, what word would you use?
Emperor of cinema. Because I feel that, you know, he really truly makes films for the big screen and gets like story, emotion, spectacle, just everything.
In Telugu they call Panirakshasi. He is like a devil who is restless. He's always like trying to do something.
He knows how to treat drama well, and he knows the pulse of the audience basically.
It's impossible. Impossible. He is impossible on so many levels.
इसको स्वर्ग बोले कि आरआरआर बोले कि राजमौली सर का कोई मैग्नम ओपस बोले.
मैं आज तो बस रामचरण सर और एनटीआर सर के लिए आया हूँ यहाँ पे. मैं रामचरण सर का बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ैन हूँ क्योंकि उनका स्टाइल, उनका एनर्जी मेरे को बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है और मैं उनसे डांस में उस चीज़ के लिए बहुत इंस्पायर होता हूँ.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening. Namaskaram. How are you today? आज की रात होने वाली है legendary क्योंकि आज की रात we are going to unveil the most awaited multi-starrer Indian film of all time, which has the biggest action stars on this planet. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge cheer. Let's roar for NTR Jr. Let's rise for Ram Charan. And let's together give a huge dhamakedar revolt for RRR. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to call upon stage इस RRR के trio of the decade को इस मंच पर. May I please have the absolute honor of inviting on stage the producers of the film, Mr. DVV Danaya Garu of DVV Entertainment and Mr. Jayantilal Gada of Pen India Limited.
Good evening, Mumbai. Happy to present India's pride, RRR. January 7th, మీ అందరి ముందుకు వస్తున్నాం. Please watch in the theaters.
धनिया जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और मैं ख़ास राजा मौली जी आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं कि आपको मुझे इस फिल्म से जुड़ने का मौका दिया.
Thank you, Jayantilal sir, for releasing in Hindi.
थैंक यू धनिया जी.
Thanks చెప్తూ జై హింద్.
थैंक यू.
Now time for us to invite on stage Mr. Manohar Naidu Garu from Lahiri Music.
లహరి మ్యూజిక్ అండ్ టీ సిరీస్ మ్యూజిక్ రైట్స్ మాకు ఇప్పించిన దానికి కీరవాణి గారికి నమస్కారము, వల్లి గారికి నమస్కారం, దానయ్య గారికి ముఖ్యంగా నమస్కారం. ఎలాంటి ప్రొడ్యూసర్ అయినా ఈ పిక్చర్ నిండా బాగా సక్సెస్ అవ్వాలండి. అందరూ వచ్చి థియేటర్లో చూడండి. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Ladies and gentlemen, every great film, every work of art of this scale को चाहिए होती है एक equally talented और visionary team. तो ladies and gentlemen, एक बार इन सब के लिए एक जोरदार तालियां हो जाए and let's take a look at the audio visual please.
As a director, I can have the biggest of imaginations. But to bring them onto the screen is nothing short of a battle. And in this battle, I am lucky to have these Pancha Pandavas as commanders-in-chief helping me emerge a winner. Sabu sir has knowledge of every material and every process to achieve the best of the designs. The only thing he doesn't know is the word impossible. Sendil has an ever-watchful eye which no flaw can escape. His cool yet uncompromising attitude is what made RRR the visual spectacle it is. Srikar Garu has abundance of knowledge that was accumulated by editing hundreds of films in multiple languages. His grasp on flow of story narration has helped me immensely in shaping RRR. Srinivas Garu lives and breathes quality. His knowledge of VFX processes and eye for detail are on par with the top VFX supervisors in the world. It's an absolute strength to have him on the team. And we have Rama. She's not as talented as the other. She's more talented than all others put together. In fact, she's the person who runs the whole show. Jokes apart, if not for her, not only my films, my life would not have been as colorful. Thanking my Pancha Pandavas.
A huge round of applause for this entire magical team. It's now that I request you to welcome on this stage with a roaring round of applause the head of departments, our supreme technicians of RRR, starting with the production designer par excellence, Sabu Cyril Garu.
First, I should really thank Rajmouli sir calling me again for another film, having the confidence in me that I'll deliver. But when I was working, in fact, he gave me challenges which I never thought that I'll be able to do, but he pushed me and made me do. I think he's like a schoolmaster who taught me a lot of things which was hidden within me itself. Thank you so much.
And next on stage, we'd like to welcome the Director of Photography, Mr. Sendil Kumar Garu.
If you know Rajmouli close, he'll always throw up challenges, and so honored and so proud to say that we have bettered Bahubali in many ways in this film. What you will see in RRR is what you have never seen or never experienced on Indian screen. Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, it's time for us to recognize and give a huge shout out to incredible teams without whom this film would not have been a possibility. So first on the list is the visual effects supervisor and the entire team of Srinivas Mohan Garu. Could we have a huge round of applause? And another huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our genius editor, Shrikar Prasad Garu. A huge round of applause, please. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट जोरदार तालियां हो जाए उस शख्स का और उस शख्सियत का जिनके बारे में हम सुन चुके हैं. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, द एब्सोल्यूट एपिटमी ऑफ imagination. All that grandeur and all those costumes that you see, it would not have been possible without the vision of Mrs. Rama Rajamouli Garu. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome Rama ma'am on stage, please.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. I'm so happy to see you all like this after so many days, such a huge crowd. ఇలాగే సినిమాకి కూడా ఇంతమంది వచ్చి ఇంతే ఆనందంగా తిరిగి వెళ్తారని నేను నమ్ముతున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very, very much. अब बारी है हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट की. टेलीविजन शो हो या फिल्म्स, स्टेज शो हो या इवेंट्स, इनके बिना हिंदी सिनेमा बिल्कुल अधूरा सा है. He is the man of 100 talents. He is the recipient of the Padma Shri Award. Please welcome on stage Karan Johar Garu.
Andriki Namaskar. Welcome everyone to the epic RRR night. अब बारी है to celebrate the music of RRR. 220 फिल्म से ज्यादा म्यूजिक देकर हिस्ट्री क्रिएट करने वाले मास्टर, नेशनल अवार्ड विनिंग म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर MM करीम जी. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So much pride in my heart and such respect and reverence, sir, for your incredible body of work. We are honored to have you on this platform. I am honored and humbled to meet you and be in such close proximity,
I
sir.
am honored to you.
Sir, बस मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगा, with all my heart, मेरा number कब आएगा? When can I have the glory of working with you?
Sir, can I ask you something?
Yes, sir, of course.
You have done so many episodes of Coffee with Karan.
Yes.
But where is the cream in the coffee? You have to sing a song now.
I have to sing?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
I will sing a line. You have to repeat the line.
Okay.
आदमी मुसाफिर है.
माफ करो in advance. आदमी मुसाफिर है.
आता है जाता है.
आता है जाता है.
क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है. ये तो गा सकते.
क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है. बहुत कुछ होता है सर.
Sir, you are singing only your songs very nicely.
I better go back and rehearse what you have just taught me, so the next time I meet you, I don't have to embarrass myself. तो मैं जाके गाता हूँ क्या करूँ हाय while you take over the stage like you've taken over the musical
Thank you,
universe.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Such an honor, sir. Such an honor.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Now I want to proudly present my most favorite track of this movie, Janani. I welcome all the singers on the stage. प्रिय भारत जननी जननी पैर की धूल मेरे माथे का तिलक बनी. माँ तू ही मेरा सूरज, तू ही मेरा ये फलक बनी. जननी आसमान नीला भी अब ये लाल रंग होगा. दुश्मन के अंत के काल का बजता मृदंग होगा. माँ ये मृदंग है जल तरंग. जननी
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Janani, the soul anthem of RRR. Please give a huge round of applause to the music director of RRR, Mr. M.M. Cream, and all the singers performing alongside him. And of course, a thunderous applause for the master genius filmmaker, the absolute bona fide magician, S.S. Rajamouli sir. A film of this scale has never been made before. It's dubbed in 5 languages. 19 mahine, 19 months in the making. RRR has S.S. Rajamouli ka most ambitious project ever. And ladies and gentlemen, it is written by his genius father, National Award winning Shri Vijendra Prasad ji. And today we are fortunate, we are so lucky to have him amongst us to shed some light on the movie. Welcome on stage, Shri Vijendra Prasad ji.
Two superheroes of Telugu field, the great Junior NTR and Ram Charan, they are coming together first time to make a multi-starrer movie which has not happened in decades. It's a miracle. All because all of them trusted one man's vision, his hard work and integrity, Rajamouli. That's a miracle. And why Rajamouli spent 3 years of his time on this thing? Just because a miracle happened that day and I narrated a 5-minute story outline. That's a miracle. Thank you, everyone.
And now, जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए the gorgeous, the extremely talented Shreya Saran.
Hi everyone. Andaki namaskaram to all you lovely people to come here. Rajamouli sir, thank you for making such a beautiful film. I worked with him before and his ability to give so much love to cinema, to literally treat his film like his little baby and give all his heart to it. It's like every day I learn so much from you. Thank you.
वैसे मैं आपको बता दूं, आज की शाम, ladies and gentlemen, is full of surprises. Stage is all yours wherever you are, gorgeous girl. Welcome, Alia Bhatt. How does it feel?
Thank you, Karan. Andriki namaskaram. I love you all. Thank you so much for being here. And this night has just begun. So,
Thank you, Alia, and you look gorgeous as ever. We love you. This is such a special night. We are bringing in the new year. Lord knows we want this year to end for many reasons, but we know that there is a shining, supreme star of a film that will hit the cinemas on the 7th of Jan. So before that, I want to wish you all a very happy new year in advance. what a kickstart of a year it's going to be with RRR. राम और भीम की दोस्ती मिसाल बनने वाली है for years to come, ladies and gentlemen. It's now time. Say it with me. Rise. Roar. Revolt.
Brace yourself for Ram.
చరణ్ మీ నాన్నగారు మెగాస్టార్ చిరంజీవి గారు తెలుగులో ఎంత పేరు సంపాదించారో హిందీలోనూ అంతకు 10 రెట్లు సంపాదించాలి. మీ కీర్తి కావాలనలా వ్యాపించాలి. ముంబై కా హై ఇంతజార్ తెరా ఆ జాओ మగధీరా. Brace yourself for Ram Charan. తారక్ నీ నట విశ్వరూపాన్ని చూసి అరేబియా సముద్రంలో సునామీలు లేవాలి. నిన్ను చూసి పైన తాతగారు నాన్నగారు మాత్రమే కాదు తెలుగు వాళ్ళంతా గర్వపడాలి. ఆజాओ భీమ్ ఆజాओ భీమ్. Brace yourself for NTR.
My God, I think I have never seen this kind of stardom before in my life. I'm feeling like a shy fan in the middle of these two mega stars. If I had my camera, I would take one pout wala selfie with both of you, so my followers would really increase.
We both are really Karan Johar's fans.
Please, you're just being polite. Have you seen this? I can't fill up a drawing room.
Brothers, ఒక్కసారి కరణ్ జోహర్ కోసం. There you go.
So basically, Tarak and Ram, films की तरह यहाँ भी आपने हीरो वाली एंट्री ली है. What a dramatic entry! How fantastic! Welcome to you, Ram Charan, and welcome to you, NTR, to you, Tarak. Welcome. Thank you. God bless. Thank you. I am a little upset with you.
Why, sir?
Because I think you just chucked me out of RRR.
Thank you for inviting me here. I saw the trailer. It's fantastic. Rajamouli is the best that we have.
दो इतने बड़े दिग्गज मेगा स्टार्स को साथ लाना, it's almost impossible. And you need an even bigger star to do that. He is the other third R in RRR. His work is so inspiring, and a film of this scale सिर्फ वो ही बना सकते हैं. Please welcome the genius, the visionary behind RRR, Mr. S.S. Rajamouli. I am so honored and so excited and glad to be here sharing this stage with you. बहुत मुबारक हो आपको सर, बहुत दिल से मुबारक हो. आपकी फिल्म्स को हम सुपर हिट और ब्लॉकबस्टर जैसे टैग नहीं देते, बल्कि उन्हें तो हम हिस्टोरिकल हिस्ट्री सिनेमा बुलाते हैं. I am a little upset with you.
Why, sir?
Sir, I'm a little hurt also. Hurt and upset with you, sir, and I'm nobody to say this, but I am, because I think you just chucked me out of RRR. I was presenting Bahubali 1 and 2, and then you just gave me one RRR kick.
No, sir. No, sir. Because
Please explain yourself, sir, to me.
I asked you to be the presenter of Bahubali. You made Bahubali 1 and 2, and you earned crores of money with that. Tens of crores. Hundreds of crores.
Sir, I'm not mentioning names.
Okay, some crores.
I don't want any raid.
Okay, sir, you made some crores. So when producer makes so much of money, usually as director, I expect some gift, sir.
Oh.
And what did you give me, sir? You called me for your talk show. You gave me a phone and a Bluetooth speaker, and you wanted the rights of RRR being the presenter of RRR, sir. Sir, look at Jayanti Lal, sir. After RRR being a hit, he promised me a flat in Bandra. Sea-facing apartment in Bandra.
Sea-facing apartment in Bandra?
Yeah. बिल्कुल आपके घर के सामने.
मेरे घर के सामने?
Yeah, that's what he promised me. है ना, sir? है ना, sir? Yes, we got it on record also.
What a producer. Give it up for Jayanti Lal bhai, please.
Sir, and you will be shocked what my producer Danegar has promised me.
What does he promise?
1 acre plot in Jubilee Hills. 1 acre plot in Jubilee Hills.
Wow.
Yes, sir. Danegar Kadande? Yeah, I got it on record also.
Sir, you're getting 1 acre from sir. You're getting from Jayanti bhai. You're getting a sea-facing apartment. I want to know what Ram Charan and NTR are giving you.
They already gave me, sir.
Themselves for your film.
Yes, their love for me.
Their love.
Yes.
What do you mean, sir? I love you for so long, but you still want material things out of me. But sir, in all honesty, all jokes aside, I can't wait for the 7th of Jan. I absolutely can't wait for your cinema to explode on celluloid. You are an institution. Why can't you just give me some advice, sir?
Sir, advice to you.
Yes.
Sir, I can't say this, but you are being a presenter, you are being a television host, you are being a multiple fantastic personality.
Yes,
I think
sir.
you should also direct, sir. Something where you started your career.
I've forgotten, sir, what it's like to direct. But I'll give you the good news, sir. I'm already directing a film.
Fantastic.
And I am very close to finishing its shoot in another 3-4 months. But I promise you, I will make film after film because I am a good student of the great master. नाचो नाचो का वीडियो ने तो धूम मचा दिया है. हमने भी एक वर्जन तैयार किया है आपके लिए where we have India's 2 leading dance groups on 2 sides. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to rise from your seats and nacho nacho to this thumping melodic track, performing to this incredible dance anthem, V Company and the exceptionally talented Kings United.
धूल उड़ा के सीन उठा के तुम भी नाचो, पाँच ड्रम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो, हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेद नाचो, अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे पाक टोर छोड़ नाचो, मिट्टी जो तो रोट मोटा मिर्च खा के ऐसे नाचो, हाँ जा छोरे हाँ जा गोरे हाँ जा छोरे, नाचो 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 हीरो नाचो, नाचो 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 यार नाचो, नाचो 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 अच्छी तेरी जैसा नाचो, नाचो 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 कुछ काट लागे ऐसा नाचो। देखो धन्ना के रोकी नाचे, शोर सुन लो है धमाका जैसे शेर हाथी नाचे, देखो दिल का ये मेला यार अपने साथ नाचो, रेडियो के जोरों पे तुम खड़ा कर देसी नाचो, पसीना माथे का चमके धमके ऐसे नाचो, हाँ जा छोरे हाँ जा गोरे हाँ जा छोरे, नाचो 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 यार नाचो, नाचो 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 झूमे गाँव हरेला ऊंचा पाँव यूं पटका है ये देसी का मेला, कैसा रहा यकायकी नाचो 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 नाचो, अरे धूम धूम थिरके जा पाँव में जान जगा, ठुमक ठुमक नाचे जा दुनिया हिला दे सारी, नाचो नाचो नाचो।
आलिया, अगर फिल्म का नाम आर भी होता, you would still fall in love with it. सेट पे लेट कौन आता है?
भैया,
He said it himself. Don't worry, Charan.
Sir, उन्होंने
most superstars come late. It's a superstar. Rajamouli sir has given the biggest blockbuster of Indian cinema.
I know you've been surviving on his film only.
Go the countdown. Okay, so you go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Everyone a Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
I want to invite Tarak and Charan and let them handle you.
Oh,
Yes.
I think I was going to invite them to have coffee with me. Do you think they will agree?
Yes, sir. I think presently we can start with chai.
With chai?
Yes.
Sir, जो भी आप कहो ना, तहे दिल से I will agree that you said chai with Charan and chai with Tarak. Then chai it is. NTR and Ram Charan in the house. Can I also request the gorgeous Alia Bhatt to join us on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, for me, RRR means Rajamouli, Rama Rao and Ram Charan. The trio together is fire on the box office. क्या इस फिल्म के नाम की यहाँ यही स्टोरी है? That's how the name came. Can you tell us, is this how the name happened, Tarak?
नहीं सर, वैसा कुछ नहीं हुआ, but we got a phone call from वो जो बीच का जो आर है ना सर वो.
हाँ जी.
हाँ.
राजामौली सर का आर.
जी.
हाँ.
So we had a phone call from him.
Right.
I didn't know he's calling Charan. Charan didn't know he's calling me.
हाँ.
So then, yeah, so he wanted me to come home, and I landed up, sitting down, talking. Suddenly, our man walks in. So I was like, why did he come?
Why is Tarak here?
Yeah, so, and then his expression was, why is Tarak here? So I was like, you intruder, why you here? अच्छा ठीक है, काम खत्म कर लो और निकलो यहाँ से. But no, he was still there. And then slowly, I look at this man, and slowly he looks at him, starts off with a smile. So then I was like, no. Yes.
Oh.
We were like, no.
So basically, you all arrived to Rajamouli sir's not knowing what is happening.
Absolutely.
And was that the day the big selfie was taken?
Yes.
Absolutely, on his sofa.
So after the selfie, now the trouble starts. He wants to name the selfie now. वो जो है ना सर
Hashtag something.
Hashtag का जो कीड़ा है ना.
Well, Rajamouli sir is also a marketing expert, apart from being a cinematic.
Well, he is.
But sir, if I may ask all three of you to actually take a seat.
Sure.
All right. You have the gorgeous Alia Bhatt sandwiched between you two. I have a feeling कि आलिया है तो फिल्म का नाम RRR. अगर फिल्म का नाम R भी होता, you would still fall in love with it.
पुराना नहीं हो गया?
शुरू कहाँ हुआ?
नहीं, अभी शुरू हुआ ना.
अभी शुरू हुआ है.
हाँ, अभी. बट तुम किसकी बात कर रहे हो? मैं तो अपनी बात कर रहा था. रॉकी और रानी बना रहे ना RR. तो तुम किसकी बात कर रही थी?
सॉरी, मेरी लाइफ में एक और आर है ना, तो I got little confused.
अब आलिया, मैं ये तो पूछूंगा नहीं कि कैसा लगा इन लेजेंड्स के साथ काम करके, because you truly have been around cinema legends during the making of RRR. लेकिन ये जरूर पूछना चाहूंगा कि तीनों के साथ काम करके तुमने क्या सीखा?
I would say lots of warmth. अपनापन जिसे कहते हैं. How do I say it in Telugu?
आप्यायता.
आप्यायता.
It's so wonderful to be so welcomed by two legendary superstars and a legendary filmmaker. All right. Now, Alia, the film is semi-bromance, and you yourself witnessed this super duo's bromance on screen and off screen, right?
Okay, I would say there's a friendship between the two of them, which is very playful. They're only pulling each other's leg.
But did you feel like a kebab mein haddi in the middle? Being playful is fun.
I'm not saying the wrong thing, no?
Oh, well, it depends on how.
Sir?
Oh, we just met
Correct,
Alia.
no? Correct,
No. Rajmouli sir.
No.
We just met Alia then. Obviously, we could not include her into our mischief.
No. I would not want to be included.
Why?
No, I mean, like, it took us some time to even digest the fact that there's
Karan.
a heroine in the film.
Yeah, and Karan always
It
told
took us
us.
some time. No,
That's
because it
true.
was every day we were just working with each other.
And also,
it was just us. And all of a sudden, we had this
That's what-
beautiful
Karan,
woman
it's
in front
always
of
good
us.
to warm up a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
Yeah,
that's what we
before.
were talking
It was
about.
basically cinematic foreplay.
Yes.
No, so the first thing that Tarak said to me was, I'm sorry, I've forgotten what it is to work with a heroine. For 3 years, I've only worked with a hero.
Yes, Rajamouli sir has a tendency of doing that. He takes two men and puts them together for years in one zone. Either it was Prabhas and Rana, or now it is Tarak and Charan. He's done the same thing. Basically, all two-men combinations you like, sir. Two. आप दोनों में से मैं पूछूंगा कुछ सवाल, and you can point fingers at each other for who you think the question is applicable for. All right? This is the boys. Alia, you can be judge.
Okay.
सेट पे तैयार होने पे सबसे ज्यादा टाइम किसे लगता है? Tarak says Charan takes longer to get ready. Yeah.
He comes first, but also he's first.
I heard a little birdie on the set told me that Tarak, you come 30 minutes before call time.
1 hour.
1 hour before call
1
time.
hour before.
Wow. Student of the year you are.
Chalo, I
Student number 1.
Okay. But set पे late कौन आता है? Then I'm presuming.
Bhaiya. He said it himself.
Don't worry, Charan.
Sir, unhone
But most superstars come late. It's a superstar. Who is maximum on the phone?
Tarak.
Alia.
Alia is not included in
Alia
this.
is not.
Arey, no, you'll have to include her in this.
She's okay.
Long distance relationship.
Can I
she
have
has
the
to
question?
handle- She has to handle that, sir. Long distance relationship, so give it to her. Tarak, give it to her.
Long distance
She was on the phone. I don't know what happens, but she's on a video call also.
I must say, maybe the other hour.
She was always on the phone.
Hey, she was like, you know, there's this crazy video call which happens, you know, phones like this. And then she's sitting in a car, and then I don't know what.
All right, just one word. I will say one word I want to hear from you. So, Rajamouli as director.
Roar.
Roar. Please notice. Roar. You have a word, Charan.
Headmaster.
Headmaster. Alia, you have a word.
I was going to say that only. Master. Maestro.
I have a word. Legend. Legend. Rajamouli is a legend. One word for Alia as a co-star.
Rise.
Rise.
Woo.
Well, she's.
What
I
is
think she's
rising?
just
He's only
Rising.
taking words of the film. Give
Rising.
a real word.
So she's. I personally think, for the talent she has, she's just scratched the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole lot
So much more
waiting
rise.
for her.
Rise.
And she just started it. So it's for me, Alia is
to you.
a rise.
He roared. He talked about rising. Are you going to revolt?
Not at all. She's not revolt. She really compliments her actors, but she's a surprise.
I hope I didn't torture you all too much. These were easy, simple questions and
Absolutely
answers.
not, sir. It was
And-
truly an honor sitting on the stage with you.
But thank you.
Thank
from
you
the
so
bottom
much.
of my heart. Ladies and gentlemen, to mark off this historic evening, we have a very, 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 very special guest with us in the house. Joining the mega stars tonight is another mega star. Please give it up for the one and only superstar, none other than Salman Khan.
स्वागत नहीं करोगे आप हमारा
हम तुम में इतने छेद करेंगे कि कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे कि सांस कहां से ले और बातें कहां से।
थाना में बैठे ऑन ड्यूटी बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी थाना में बैठे ऑन ड्यूटी बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी पांडे जी सीटी बजावे जी सीटी पांडे जी सीटी बजावे ऑन ड्यूटी आदत बड़ी नस पीटी बजावे हाय बजावे हाय ओए शराब बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी
एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता।
तुना बाजे टंका लंदन हो या लंका तुझे रे चारों ओर तुना बाजे टंका लंदन हो या लंका तुझे रे चारों ओर आकी रहे अनुकंपा न डर नहीं शंका नचेंगे हम जोगी चलाए कोई जंतर खिलेगा तेरा अंतर तू आजा गुरु मंत्र ये ले ले रे ले 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 रे ले 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 रे चल बेटा सेल्फी ले ले रे
Salman, we're so honored that you could join us tonight for this mega celebration of this mega movie experience, RRR.
Thank you for inviting me here. Before I knew Raja, I knew the father.
You knew Vijendra ji, of course.
Of course, because he's given me one of the best movies that I've done in my career.
Yes, of course.
Bajrangi
Bajrangi Bhaijaan,
Bhaijaan.
ladies and gentlemen. What a fantastic film. Considered one of the finest Hindi feature films with a spectacular performance from the one and only Salman Khan.
And now he's written part 2.
Wow. Are we saying that we are kind of officially announcing this on the RRR platform? Can we say that?
Of course you can say that. I've said it.
Fantastic, sir.
Let's talk about RRR.
RRR, sir. Have you seen the trailer, sir?
I've seen them. Sir,
Yes.
what do I call you then?
Please don't call me anything but Karan. Thank you.
You call me sir, then I thought it'd just be
I'm giving you-
appropriate
I'm
to
giving
call
you-
you something like that only.
No, I'm not deserving of it.
Okay. Karan, call me Salman. I saw the trailer. It's fantastic.
Whoa!
And everyone compliments each other. मुझे पता है कि इन लोगों ने कितनी मेहनत की है.
Beyond that, it takes a master storyteller to bring two mega stars together. It's actually doesn't happen very often in cinema in Telugu, and it's actually happening. Such a mega star combination is happening for the first time. We do know that Rajamouli sir has given the biggest blockbuster of Indian cinema. Even the Hindi number is the highest ever.
I know you've been surviving on his film only. The last film.
Yeah, I have. In fact, last two
This
films.
one also has been distributed by him, or you're doing it on your own?
No, he doesn't need me, sir.
He is the best that we have. And what I like about him and the whole family is they eat, breathe, sleep, talk, live only cinema.
Thank you, Salman.
Karan, one advice I want to give you. Do not release your film for at least 4 months after their film.
I will not release after 8 months after that film. Why 4? I will wait because it's going to be like a juggernaut releasing. And I know it. Everybody knows it. Fans know it. The industry knows it. But Salman, lastly, I want to say it again. Thank you so much for giving us your time, your mega star presence, and just the energy you bring to everything you do.
Thank you very much. And I would like to request all my fans, जितने भी मेरे fans हैं, 7 जनवरी को जाके RRR देखो आप सब. And wish you all a very happy new year. God bless you.
Thank you, Salman. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Salman Khan.
Congratulations, everyone, for the biggest film of this industry.
Can I have the fireworks button, please?
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Again, give it up for Salman Khan.
एस राजामौली के साथ काम करना एक सपना ही नहीं, एक महासपना है. जिस तरह वो एक महा डायरेक्टर है, उसी तरह उन्होंने मेरा महासपना पूरा किया.
3.5 years, hundreds of people's hard work and one man's vision. My darling brother. I love you, Tarak. I love this guy. I don't want to say thank you and finish it on this function.
We were friends, we are friends, and we will be friends forever.
And now it's time to invite on stage the heroine of this mega movie, making her debut in Telugu. A big round of applause for the talented superstar herself, Alia Bhatt. Ladies and gentlemen, Sita in RRR, Alia Bhatt.
ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कहूंगी। एसएस राजामौली के साथ काम करना एक सपना ही नहीं, एक महा सपना है। जिस तरह वो एक महा डायरेक्टर है, एक महा स्टोरी टेलर है, उसी तरह उन्होंने मेरा महा सपना पूरा किया। मैं यही कहूंगी कि जो प्यार आपने उनकी प्रीवियस फिल्म्स को दिया है, इस फिल्म आरआरआर को भी दे। प्लीज कम टू द थिएटर्स ऑन द 7th of January, 8th of January, 9th of January, all of January, and enjoy the film. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Alia. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the moment you've all been waiting for, वक्त आ गया है RRR के R number 1 से मिलने का. Please welcome mega power star Ramcharan.
RRR, 3.5 years, hundreds of people's hard work, dedication, and one man's vision. I didn't come into this project as an actor. I came into this project as a student. Thank you so much, Rajamouli garu. And finally, my darling brother. Love you, Tarak. We were friends from before, many years before RRR. I've cherished so many amazing moments with Tarak. So many amazing moments. I love this guy. I don't want to say thank you and finish it on this function. I want to carry forward this emotion with me for many more years, not just for RRR. I love you, Tarak. Thank you. Love you. Love you.
All right, thank you, Charan. That was so amazing and from the heart. It's time now, ladies and gentlemen, to meet the other half of this grand dosti. It is my great honor and privilege to call upon stage the young tiger, Junior NTR.
सभी को नमस्कार. Good evening, everyone. Been an honor being a part of my Jakana's vision. It has always been an honor being a part of your film. Not because you've been a successful director, not because you are a successful director. Probably you're the only director who can tickle the senses of a true actor, who can challenge the senses of a true actor and give him an opportunity to understand himself as an actor. My brother here, Charan is many things to me. I mean, there are certain times, there are certain feelings which you really can't put it in words. You want to just feel them. We were friends, we are friends, and we will be friends forever. Thank you so much, Charan, for being a friend, sometimes a guide, sometimes everything, Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Jai Hind.
The moment you look at Alia Bhatt, you feel like she's very soft. She looks like a glass doll. My Charan and my Tarak, I feel so much that they are part of my family, part of my journey. There is one sequence which we haven't told anyone about. When that sequence comes in the second half, I promise you, every nerve in your body is going to be drawn tight. You will forget to take your breath. That's the kind of performance these two guys gave.
It's now time, ladies and gentlemen, to call on stage the visionary behind this magnum opus, set to take the world by storm, the biggest director of Indian cinema, now and forever. Please welcome the mega perfectionist, S.S. Rajamouli.
Shoot, 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 shoot.
This is a surprise for me, but thanks for that surprise. Andarki namaskaram. Ellarku vanakkam. Ellarigu namaskara. Good evening, everyone. Just a way of telling our film is a pan-Indian film. Let me first thank about the legendary Salman Khan. When we went to invite him for the function, that was the first time I was meeting him. I just opened the door, I looked at him. He came rushing forward and he's directly started talking about Naatu Naatu song. And the way he spoke is like, what is song you made, yaar? What is song? I just can't. I just opened my phone and all I can see is Naatu Naatu Naatu. What kind of song you made, yaar? And he started talking. I was shocked. Like, that was the first time I was meeting him. And he was talking to us like a friend. And only he can do that. The legendary Bhaijan, Salman Khan. Thank you very much, sir. And Karan Johar, sir. On the exterior, you can be many things. Inside your heart, you're a kid. You're a small kid. And you are so excited about films. You are so passionate about films. And that's why I connect to you on a much deeper level. Thank you, sir, for hosting this event, being gracious, coming on board the moment I asked you. Can't thank you enough, sir. Thank you very much. Ajay Devgan, sir, I so wish that you are here today. I love the intensity in your eyes. That's the reason why I approached you to play the character in my film. You so graciously accepted it. Never airs of a superstar when he was shooting for the film. It was great to have him. He's the source of the story of RRR. His character is the soul of the character of the story RRR. Thank you, sir, for coming on board. Alia Bhatt. The moment you look at Alia Bhatt, you feel like she's very soft, very fragile. She looks like a glass doll. The moment you look at her, everyone feels like you have to protect her. No, you have to safeguard her. But believe me, she's not a glass. She's a diamond. She's very, very hard, very, very determined inside. And that is the character of her, which made me ask her for the role of Sita. She immediately accepted. Thank you, Alia, for being a part of RRR. Yes, now I have my heroes, my Ram and Bhim, my Charan and my Tarak. I feel so much that they are part of my family, part of my journey, and the super hit films that we work together, let it be Simhadri, let it be Yamadonga, let it be Magadira, is what made me a star director. Because of their stardom, because of your fandom, that is the reason why I am here today. And one more thing I'm telling you, the thing that we haven't shown at all in the teasers or the trailers, there is one sequence which we haven't told anyone about, which no one has an idea about. When that sequence comes in the second half, I promise you, every nerve in your body is going to be drawn tight. You will forget to take your breath, but your heart will be beating faster. That's the kind of performance these two guys gave. And I'm not going to talk anything much about it. You're going to watch in the theaters. And all I can say now is wish you a very, very, very happy New Year. Hold this excitement for just one more week. On Jan 7th, we are going to rock with RRR. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Give it up for Rajamouli, SS Rajamouli, sir.
And with this, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this mega evening. लेकिन theater में picture तो अभी देखनी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. So gear up for RRR and get ready to rise, roar and revolt. Wishing you and your family, हम सब की तरफ से आप सबको Happy New Year.